I'm Scott with Marcs Mobility. I'm here with the GlideCare G5 by Comfy Mobility. This is their lightweight folding power chair model. This is their more affordable model. There are other models on the market that are carbon fiber. They weigh a lot less. This unit weighs 50 pounds. It's 46 pounds if you remove the front battery. There's a little button to remove the battery. It is an airline-approved battery. It should get you, they say 12 miles per charge. I would realistically say, depending on the user's weight, 9 miles or so. But it depends if you're going uphill or how heavy the user is. It does have a 265-pound weight capacity. But once again, this is a more affordable option. Some of the higher end models that weigh 30, 35 pounds are all carbon fiber. This is more of an aluminum frame, so it weighs more. So if you're on a budget and you have someone that can lift to 50 pounds, this is a great option for you. A couple other features I noticed: the arms do flip up. There's a latch on the side. The arms flip up out of the way, and it's pretty clear too if you do want to slide transfer into that. And it latches itself shut. In between the arms, we have a 18-inch wide seating area, but the cushion itself is actually 16 inches wide by 17 inches deep. Then our backrest height to the top of the cushion is 14 inches. To the top of the bar is about 18.5 to 19 inches. Now, I said this is a folding power chair, so I'm going to turn this around, turn the power off. Then there's a latch back here. We're going to push this up. Then the chair will fold itself down. From here, you can actually rest it vertically. And there is tip wheels that it rests on, so you can wheel it around, you can spin it around. And one of my favorite features on this chair is there's a handle right here underneath the foot plate, so you can roll this around, kind of like a suitcase. It doesn't seem like the sturdiest of handles, so I don't know how long it'll last, but it is a cool feature. I don't see anything else like that on the market. To unfold, you're going to push down and pull up on that back bar, and then just kind of let gravity do its work. You'll hear it snap shut, and then you're ready to drive again. This is equipped with 250-watt brushless motors. Your neutral lever is down here. If you ever need to freewheel it, you push those levers towards the ground, and you can wheel it around. Flip it back up into the drive position. Your electromagnetic brakes are engaged again. One other cool feature of this that sets it apart from other products on the market is it does have a remote control that comes with it. So you can, if you're a caregiver, you want to walk with someone, it does have a remote control so you can walk with someone, or some people can't use the joystick, so they'll drive it with the remote sitting in their lap. But that is another cool feature that this chair offers. But once again, this is the GlideCare G5 by Comfy Mobility. If you're interested in this product, just give us a call. We'd love to help you out and see if this would fit your needs the best. Thank you for watching.